What if we could use ants for environmental monitoring? Ants, with their diverse species and widespread presence, are excellent bioindicators. They respond quickly to changes in their environment, making them valuable for assessing ecosystem health. By studying ant populations, we can gain insights into soil quality, pollution levels, and biodiversity. For instance, a decline in certain ant species might indicate soil degradation or pesticide contamination. Furthermore, ants contribute to nutrient cycling and seed dispersal, playing a crucial role in ecosystems. Leveraging ants for monitoring could revolutionize conservation efforts, offering a cost-effective, efficient means to track environmental changes and promote healthier ecosystems globally.